Stain Blaster. Now today, Sir Johnson, I'm going to give you a demo on your headlights to show you one of the capabilities of Stain Blaster. Now seeing your headlights are burnt out, normally you want to change this. Replace them, right. So let's show you how Stain Blaster can kind of save some money in your pocket. You spray it on. Now immediately Stain Blaster gets to work. There you go. That's just the first pass. So you see all that grime running off? That's all the elements of the atmosphere, heat, dirt, the time get hot and cold, everything that soaks in your headlight. And you wipe. There you go. All the dirt coming off. Still thinking about changing your headlight?
It's amazing, man.
And that's just one pass.
And it's like magic.
Stain Blaster.
Definitely, man. So that's just one. So you go into it again. You know, because that's the first pass. So now what we do, we use a dry cloth to buff it out, right? So we take our time and go again. There you go.
Nice.
But it's amazing still what it has done. If you come look on the light and what was before, total transparency.
Definitely, yeah. Love it. Really magic. Stain Blaster. Multi-purpose cleaning solution. It's the only thing you'll ever need when you come out to clean.
All purpose.
From today, that's what I'm working with.
Stain Blaster.
Stain Blaster. Thanks.
Trust me, Mr. Sullivan, you have a winning product for your hand. Trust me, never believe at first, but after all, get a battle.
The #1 product in Jamaica right now, Stain Blaster.
Brother, I have some chemical like this, but it wasn't effective like this one. This one, I like this one.
Yes.
I want to do.
Just mark something, man.
Yeah,
right here.
One look at touch. Yeah, man. See that? That's a pen ink. Now watch Stain Blaster start to work now. Put in a little bit.
Bad. Yeah, man.
Where's the ink?
Bad. Bad. It's bad, man. Yeah, man, it's bad. I like it.
Alright, now that part here for me, you know. Yeah.
They are walking in our wet clothes today.
That part here for me, you know. So, with us, Stain Blaster is so safe. You can actually pre-treat your clothes while wearing it. Unlike some other chemicals where it irritates the skin.
Right.
Stain Blaster gives you none of that. So baby, don't feel no way here. Look at that.
Yeah, man. Bad, man.
Stain Blaster gets it out the first time, every time.
Yeah, man. I work with you, man. Trust me. I work with you.
Happy Valentine's Day!
Can I introduce the product that I have on the market? It's called Stain Blaster. Your multi-purpose cleaning solution. And when I say multi-purpose, I mean multi-purpose for every surface. Your headliners, the interior of your car, your headlights. And I'd love to give you a demonstration.
Me not believe in a product where can do so much things.
Really?
Me not believe.
You want proof?
Yeah.
Alright. Look, tell me something impossible. Give me something where it's too easy. Show me something I can go clean.
You are?
Yeah.
Like this one. I look everything. Sit down. Anyway, go on with the queen.
Alright. Watch this out. Watch Stain Blaster start work. Watch, you know. You don't even need enough. It's already start work.
Yeah, watch out, go on.
You see that? Already start work, you know. Why? See that? See that?
He's gone.
Stain Blaster start work. How you like that? O'Sullivan and Company's Stain Blaster, your multi-purpose cleaning solution. Now, it's made here in Jamaica, it's citrus based, and it covers a whole variety of applications, whether in your bathroom, in your kitchen, it degreases your oven. All your wives at home, you like to clean, you have messy walls, Stain Blaster will make your life easier. What this product does, it encourages you to keep cleaning. Stain Blaster, you know, you have some mess on your sofa, especially on the elbow, the armrest. Just use few squats, few sprays of Stain Blaster. Get a wet cloth. You wipe it out and you're clean and you're good to go. But it doesn't stop there. When you finish with your house, go to the car. You have your headlights burning out. Stain blast it and it gets to work immediately on contact. You go inside, clean up your interior. And when you finish with that, what else can I do? Open the bonnet, degrease your engine. Stain blaster does everything. It eliminates you from buying 12 other or more cleaning products. Support Jamaica. Stain Blaster or Sullivan and Company.